Everything looks absolutely great as a hedge fund manager, but you can't actually raise capital. You can't actually scale up as an management to new all-time high. You can't actually succeed in the capital rising. Not only that, but it feels like everything against you. But in reality, and in fact, everything is not against you. Everything is for you if you understand the fundamentals, if you understand of how it works deeply and internally, not only externally and only to be curious on it. It's not like about if it happens, it happens. If you will start to go away from this type of mentality, you will absolutely get to where you want to get up to. So I will share with you a hedge fund manager who has already been at 650 million in asset management for the last couple of years. He sent a DM to us last week. He said like that, we have outperformance for 5 years straight. We have already outperformed for 5 years, but it still feels like we are chasing capital, not attracting it. Do you want to attract capital? Maybe you want to rise the capital target that you are looking to rise for this year. Maybe you are looking to scale up to the management to new all-time highs constantly. Maybe you are looking to raise capital aggressively, massively, and constantly, and you're looking to get to where you want to get up to. Before the end of the video, if you're taking some notes and if you do some raw execution, you will absolutely have more than the others. Now let's get into it so we don't spend your own time and my own time. So that is the main thing. So now we will talk about it. So I understood that directly when he sent it over to us because we have already seen many hedge fund managers exactly like you who has already struggled for solving this current issue. Allocators say keep us updated, then ghost. Have you already seen that before? Maybe you have already seen similar cases to it. Zooms go well, but never turn into wares. Do you want to have more zooms or do you want to have more wares? You want to have more transactions. If you want to have more transaction, then before the end of the video, you will understand how you will make it. Every rise still feels like proving your own self over again. Is that how things look like? Here is what's really going on. Your capital process, zero leverage. You don't have a capital process. Let's be clear right here and be honest with your own self because it's your own future, it's your own journey, and it's your own project. Would you agree on that? You restart your narrative each time. So you restart your own narrative every each time, correct? You are over relying on introductions instead of instructors. You keep buying for intros, etc. All of that will never work out for you for the long term. I mean, if you will buy for intro to actually get to the room, then you will never actually enter the room when you don't need to enter it. Okay, when you don't have to enter it, because that's what you need to have if you are looking to raise capital constantly, aggressively, massively, and aggressively and constantly. Then you will not actually buy for the intros every each time that you want to raise capital. You need to have a system. You need to have a global sales operation instructors on how you can scale up capital aggressively all the time. Whenever you want capital and you don't need capital, you will also have capital. You will also have new invest commitments coming into your own fund all the time. Do you want to also to have that? I mean, if you want to have that, then you need actually to be more serious about that, not only curious about that, correct? And what no one tells you is the next. Maybe you will not like it, but that's the raw facts. Your pipeline isn't dry, it's unstructured. Good performance is only your ticket in. That's what you have already kept your own self. That's what you have for an edge, correct? It will never work out. I mean, that is not your own edge. Everyone can generate performance today. And AI can generate 42% annually performance every each year. Do you understand? So what's your own edge right here? What's your own unique selling point? Why would I not invest into an AI who has less emotions than you and who can actually generate to me over 40% every each year? Do you understand? So it has to be something else that actually building your own fund. You need to address it in the beginning of the capital journey in your own case, correct? So you are not short on LP interest, you are short on allocator conviction. Okay, so how you will create conviction, how you will pull in the allocators all the time. The funds who pulling 75 million with precision, what they are doing, I will show you right here. That's what you need actually to learn. That's what you need to take a look on. They train it investor relation to own the relationship so they don't chase, the engineer believe. How we would do that? We need to have frameworks that has already worked on how you can scale up the relationship from the same existing clients. And you need to have also new strategies on how you can also build the relationships when you don't need capital, how you will create this genuine connection with your own existing clients. So they will start to refer the others to you. They will start to have more re-apps in your own fund. They will start to tell you, all right, I am looking to increase my own investment into your own fund. Why? Because X and Y. Because you have already created the connection. How you would do that? They front loaded in sensual trust before the rise. So they're making sure to have that trust all the time, and they're making sure to create it, grind it, and to actually establish the trust before the rise from the same existing clients, from how it looks like if you will do research on the fund, from how it looks like if you will take a look on the materials, from how you will actually jump on the calls and present your own self, and how you will speak with conviction and certainty and awareness level, from how you will have the negotiation after each call with the LBS and investors, and how you will also own the room before you will jump into the room. So if you want to understand how you can do that as a hedge fund manager and you are managing over 10 million in the asset management, then that's exactly what we are doing for our own partners. We're also doing much more that you can absolutely take a look on. And if you're looking to apply and see if you are qualified, you will find the link in the description below. Apply, see if you are qualified. If you are qualified, you will be committed for your own success. If you are not, we will wish you all the luck with the first 15 minutes on the call. Now back to the video, because capital doesn't follow intradicts. It's not. It follows systems. Okay. So the longer you delay building the machine, the longer every rise will feel like your first. I mean, I have already seen hedge fund managers who are managing 1 billion, 2 billion, 3 billion, 4 billion, and beyond. And they keep telling me that I am facing the same exact issue each time that I'm looking to raise more capital. It feels like it's my own first time I'm raising capital, because they don't have like predictable, repeatable, global sales operation instructors on how they can scale up capital constantly. So they don't need actually to keep redoing it, rebuilding it, and rehaving it. If you want also to avoid all of these issues, and you want actually to not only be portfolio manager, but you want actually to become a real player in the hedge fund industry, to have more respect from the allocators, to actually gain more connections from allocators through others markets, from the biggest markets that you are looking to gain capital from, and you're looking actually to gain it and have it all in your own limit lifetime, then what I can absolutely recommend you to do is to take a look on the videos in description below. And more than that, it was Ziad Silo. Until next time, keep killing it and don't let the time to kill you.